Hey everyone! If you want to lock a Notion page with a password, here's a fully detailed guide that works using simple.ink because Notion itself doesn't yet support native password protection. First, go to simple.ink and either log in or create an account. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, paste the link of your Notion page you want to protect. Simple.ink will pull your page and let you turn it into a mini website. Next, go to the simple.ink dashboard and select the specific page you want to lock. If you want to lock your entire website, choose the first page in the list, usually the home page. After selecting the page, navigate to the Password menu. It initially opens in the SEO section, so switch to the Password tab. Tick the box labeled Password Protect this page, type in your chosen password, and then click Save Changes. Make sure to remember the password or save it in a safe place, like another Notion page. Once done, open the public version of your Notion page through simple.ink. You'll see a password prompt before anyone can view the content. Users must enter the correct password to access the page. Try this today to secure sensitive information on your Notion pages. Password protection is a quick way to keep your work private while still sharing it with the right people.